So you see the signs everywhere. Quick, inexpensive cosmetic treatments at your local salon or day spa.
But doctors say not so fast. They're seeing a rash of injuries that often leave permanent scars.
Todd McDermott has more on the day spa dangers, and tonight CBS 2 investigates.
Kim McMillan is a burn victim, scarred for life.
She felt her face burning, and that night flesh was actually falling off.
Last February, the 34-year-old investment banker walked into the posh Greenhouse Day Spa on East 57th Street for a quick laser hair removal beauty treatment. Her lawyer says a technician botched the job.
The technician burned her skin, and it resulted in first and second degree burns.
An isolated case? Hardly. Doctors say more and more people are seriously injured by cosmetic procedures performed in salons and spas. The treatments are quick, convenient, and cost less than a doctor's fee, but they're often performed by technicians with little training.
These little fine lines here.
Dr. Bruce Katz is a dermatologist with the American Society for Dermatological Surgery. He says victims of botched laser hair removal, microdermabrasion, and other high-tech procedures learn too late that these treatments ought to be performed by a dermatologist.
We've seen patients coming in with scars or pigmentary changes.
The bulk of the injuries, doctors say, are caused by lasers. The laws in New York State regarding their use are murky. A technician with as little as 1 day of training can perform the procedures, but should be under the supervision of a doctor. But there are loopholes.
Hair removal?
At weekend workshops like this one in Montclair, New Jersey, spa technicians can learn how to work laser machines and the system. When we went undercover, this plastic surgeon told us how we could set up laser treatments in a spa if he became the physician director. He told us he could help us buy and maintain the laser machine and provide additional training if we wanted, but he wouldn't have to be on site.
So that part of this is like a whole package, and we would sign it.
Is it all part of the cost of buying the machine, or?
This has nothing to do with the machine. This has nothing to do with the company. This is then between us.
It's a common transaction called Rent-A-Doctor. It allows non-physicians to get a doctor to sign off on the purchase of a laser machine and receive malpractice insurance. For a fee, of course.
There's a fee per month. I think it's around $500.
Between the two.
Right, and for that I'm available whenever, if you need come back, if you have a lawsuit.
And it's all legal.
That is not a good practice because the supervising physician is not there, and often the public is having these treatments performed by people who are not properly trained.
Treatments that are very tricky, according to this Manhattan spa technician talking with us at a break during the seminar.
So he's making it sound like you can never really burn anybody, you know, you can't hurt anybody, and that's not true. You could really mess somebody up.
In Kim's case, a doctor was on the premises when she alleges a technician badly burned her face. She's now suing for $100 million. Greenhouse Spa is currently under new ownership. They have no comment about the suit, but did say they no longer offer laser hair removal. In the meantime, a bill has been introduced in the New York State Assembly calling for tighter regulations on cosmetic laser surgery.